100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA video. Yeah, Merry Christmas to everybody around the world, man. Merry Christmas to my subscribers. Merry Christmas to all my viewers, you know what I'm saying? Also, 21 gun salute to all my viewers and my subscribers. Word up. Hold up, let me find my light, man. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated on this channel, you know what I'm saying? Word up. Big up to all my subscribers, man. Merry Christmas. Word up. So today, I'm going to be hustling today, you know what I'm saying? It's Christmas, so, you know, I got to make that money to buy some gifts. So today I'm going to be hustling, but I got this mod that I definitely want to check out today, you know what I'm saying? So let's check it out while we hustle. Word up. Yeah, man, so you see the place is all decorated and stuff, you know? Decoration everywhere. Snowman. Yeah. Word up, man. Merry Christmas to everybody, man. Word up. Yeah. I like this Christmas tree. I mean, it could use a couple more lights. But, you know, I'll take it. See, they got all these pretty lights and shit out here. All ready for Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Word up. Big up to all of my people in Jamaica, man. Big up. People in the UK, people in Brazil, people all over. Big up yourself. Merry Christmas. Yeah, so they got this place all hooked up, man. You know what I'm saying? So I just put this truck here for it to be a prop, you know? For the Christmas spirit. I just put this there to be just like a prop. Yes, I should hustle. I could hustle right here. But yeah, I got this car I want to drive today. Fuck it, it's Christmas. Why not? Let me see if I could find it. Where is that car, man? Hold up, let me see if I find this car. I really want to drive this car. Oh, here we go, right here. Yeah. Yeah, man, this shit is fly. Word. That's what I'm driving today, man. Get the fuck out of the way, man. Yeah. Doors, see how the door's open? Come on, man, let me close my door, man. There we go. All right, man, so let's see if we could sell some. Let me see if I could call Z up, get some stuff going, dealing. I wonder if I got nothing. Let me see if I got anything. All right, let me sell some weed out here. Okay, put the word out, man. Gotta get some gifts to make that money. All right, customers, I'm right here, man. Hustling right here.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man? What you need, lady? Need cheat? Okay, I got that for you.
How are you? Thank you.
You're welcome, lady. Merry Christmas. All right, man. Where y'all at? Come on. Okay, lady, go on now. Don't stand there and watch me. It's kind of weird.
Hello?
Can I drop 29 gram of weed to my... Alright, I'll do that. Oh, fuck it then. I guess he canceled the order. Come on, girl. Come support your friendly hustler, neighborhood hustler. What you need, girl? You need 2 gram?
How you doing, honey?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Baby.
You're welcome, girl. Shit. I know I got on that fucking hat, yo. That hat don't even match my fucking clothes. Damn, man, hustling is slow today out here. Ain't nobody want shit. Yo, bro, you don't want nothing, man? Oh, here go next customer right here. Where you at, lady? Oh, it's a guy. Come on, bro. Look at him. This motherfucker is drunk, yo.
Hey!
Go on, man.
Thank you.
Don't forget to bring the duty-free cigarettes.
I got my eye on you.
Yeah, where the people at? Where the people at? Come on, bro. Gotta sell all this stuff before. Oh, man. Ain't shit going on here, man. Shit's slow here. Yo, bro, you don't want nothing, man.
And some beer.
Man, get out of
The
here.
word of God.
Get out of here, man. Go on, get, man. All right, bro, slow down, bro. What you want, man? What you want, bro? This dude is staring at me. What the fuck you want? You want 4 grand, man?
How's it going?
Go on.
Respect.
Oh, shit, somebody called the cops on me, yo. I'm out. Yo, fuck you, cop. Damn, I ain't even got no gas, yo. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna show you this mod right here I just download, yo. Watch this shit right here, yo. You see that? They don't know where I turn, yo. Invisible car, man. The invisible car. Alright, let me go let me go get some gas, yo. And that shit dope, yo. Let me go get some gas. Where the gas station at? These cops can't see me in this. Cops didn't know where I turned. Hey, no. Hey, watch it, pussy. What the fuck wrong with yo? You pushing out your finger? Yo. Move, man. Fuck off, man. Yo, look at this idiot. Look at these people. Fucking up my car, man. My invisible car, you know what I'm saying? Get some gas, bro. Yeah, I gotta hit that spot again, though. Yeah, this car drive good, yeah. Get out of here, man. Get out. Yo, these people are trying to fuck my car up. Gotta get back to my hustling, man.
Hello?
That's a sick ride.
Thank you, man. I know it's a sick ride.
Who is this?
You want something to buy, man? Want some weed, man? Alright, let me get back to the dealing, yo. What you want, bro?
Hello.
What you want, bro?
How is everything?
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man. Go ahead.
You're looking good.
Take it easy, girl. Don't run so fast. Don't want you to fall down before Christmas. What you want? Come on, lady. What you want? Talk to me now. Talk to me, lady.
How's it going for you?
Everything going good. Everything going good for
Thanks a
you?
bunch.
Yo, somebody's selling on my... Yo, take it easy, bro. Don't run up on me like that. What you want?
¿Qué traes?
All right, go ahead, man.
Gracias. Oh my God, are you blind?
Yo, fuck off, man. Somebody's selling... Somebody's hustling on my territory, man. Somebody hustling on my turf. Girl, I know it ain't you hustling on my turf, girl. You better... Oh, you ain't gonna run and shit. After you hustling around... Who told you to hustle around here, man? You.
Control yourself!
Don't be... Hey, I'm gonna shoot you in the leg, girl. Don't run. Don't run. Don't let me have to get the big gun. Don't run, girl. You got the drugs, girl? You got the drugs? Where the drugs at? Where the drugs at, girl? Where the drugs at? Where the drugs at? Watch it, cop. It's Christmas. It's Christmas, cops. I ain't taking no check. Yo, dude. Oh man, the cop died. Yo, did that guy just shoot out my tire already? Yes, he did. Yo, let me fix my car, man. Fuck that. Again. Oh man, I forgot I got my mod I gotta check out, right? Let me park right here. Nah. Fuck it, right on my... Ooh-wee. They don't see where I turn. Okay, come back now. Come back to... Get out of that invisible now. There we go. What, man? This shit is dope. Feel me? Yo, get out the way, fool. Y'all don't want me to pull up on... Yo, y'all don't want no problems around here, cop. Y'all don't want no problem. Y'all don't want no problems around here.
Out of the way, man!
I know I was gonna hit that fucking. Yo, it's cool. Yeah, I got rid of them cops. Yo. Try for the. Not fucking with y'all, man. Not fucking with y'all. Yo, this cloak mod is dope, man. The cops can't fuck with you with this. I don't know if anybody watching that wanna use this mod, man. It's dope. It's fun to use. You know what I'm saying?
You're dead!
Yeah, see, they don't see me. That shit is dope as fuck, yo. What you want, bro? What you want? What you want? What you want, bro? Yo, leave me alone. Yo, what's wrong with this cop, man? Let me stop right here. See what the fuck you want. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck. Pulling me over or what, bro? Yo, what is it? Okay. I was about to say, what the fuck is he doing?
Hi.
Fuck you, man.
Probably an idiot liberal.
Your vehicle is heavily damaged. Please get it fixed. Man, that's none of your business, man. What I want to do with my car?
You are an absolute failure of a human.
Oh, really? You were doing 68 in a 50 also.
Probably flunked out of school.
I wonder if I could let the car disappear right now. What would he do? Yo, you already writing the ticket. Damn, look how much ticket I got. If I could sell a couple more bags around here. Yo, shut the door, bro.
It's all gonna be green.
Why you always come out and not shut the fucking door?
What's up?
Alright, let me get some. Let me get the hustling on.
Shit, too big on me.
Let me get the hustling on, man. Still got some more weed to get rid of. Come on, man. Christmas sale right here. Yo, what up, bro?
What's up?
What you want, man?
Thanks.
Go ahead, man. Put your half ounce, man. Go ahead.
Yo, we still need to see that movie.
Ah, that's what's up.
What's up, baby?
Got 80 gram left. 80 gram left, bro. Come on.
What's up?
What up, bro? You all up in my face, man. What that you want? Merry Christmas, man.
You gonna die.
Yo, what's up with you, bro?
Oh, it's out.
Move, man.
You fighting for?
Don't fuck. Stomp the shit out of you, bro. The fuck is your problem, bro? I'm just trying to sell my fucking weed.
Bitches.
Damn, man.
Yo,
Oh, y'all really shooting at me, bro? Get my extended clip out here, man. I know y'all ain't shooting at me, bro. I know y'all ain't shooting at me, bro. Fuck y'all up, man. Fuck y'all up. Y'all go ahead, man. Go ahead, leave me alone, bro. Go ahead, man. It's not easy around here, bro. Yo, yo, are you trying to come and diss the shutter, yo? Crazy, yo? Look at you, man. Fucking cops on their way. Cops, y'all don't see where I turn, bruh. Yeah, man, this mod is dope. Yeah, shit is dope.
Man, screw this.
Man, fuck you, cop.
Man, only inches.
That motherfucker coming still, you know. Yeah, fucking cop still coming. Look at him. He gonna break his fucking neck just to give me this fucking ticket. I'll take the ticket, bro. Come on.
Hello.
Give me a fucking ticket, man. Stop wasting my time, bro.
Damn degenerate. Behave yourself next time. Nice drive.
Yo, I bet you. Get the fuck out of here, man. Biggest Small is the illest. Yeah, this shit is dope, yo. Yeah, man. think I'm gonna start live streaming soon too, yo. Trying to set up studio and everything, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J4 on TikTok. That's on the X, Jamaican J on Twitter. Jamaican J4 on Instagram. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Let's do a couple more sale, man. Oh, put that gun up. Let me open this door to see how this car looks. The door is open. Yeah, bro, it's dope. Yeah, the back of it look like Cyberpunk, don't it? Yep. Yeah, man. Let me get a couple more sales in, man. Yeah, make a couple more sales. Some more Christmas sales, man. Christmas sales. Come on.
Hey.
What you want, man? Yo. Social. Yo, man. You know what, man? What you want, man? Social distancing. Social distance, bro. Social distance.
Thank you kindly.
Social distance.
Yeah, I wanted to check on my test results.
Hello.
That mean I'm dying, dog?
How are you? Thank you.
You're welcome, lady. Merry Christmas. Only got 47 grams left, man. When I sell off this 47 gram, then I'm finished hustling for the day. You know what I'm saying? It was a good day. Merry Christmas to you. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Somebody coming over here.
Hi.
Hey, lady. What you want? You want
How is
14
everything?
gram? All right, everything good. How are you? Merry Christmas. Let me see now. Got 33 gram left. Who want? Got to sell all this before the night is over.
Hi.
Yeah, what's up, Chow Ying? What you want? 13 gram?
What's going on?
And the thing, man.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas, man.
Praise. Good to hear you, my man.
What
Sup?
you want, bro?
You good?
Yeah, I'm great. How are you?
Right on. Thanks.
You're welcome. I got 7 grams left, man. Who want the 7 grams? I'm still looking at this fucking car. $7 grams left. 7 grams left. Yeah, man. Big up Humberto, man. Yeah. Big up Fitzy 1582. 1582. Big up. Big up yourself, bro. All right, bro. Take it easy. Don't break your neck. What you want?
Yo.
Yo, yo. What you want? Yo, I only got 7, man. I only got 7, man. Go ahead, bro. Okay, man. Ain't nobody else want shit, man. Nobody else want the 7 grams. All right, man. I think I'm done hustling for the day, man. Alright. Let me take off this mask. Give some more trouble again. Fuck with the cops with this mod again. Someone do. Oh, it's got but start snowing. Where the cops at? I want the cops to come.
Oh my fucking god.
I'm surprised the cops ain't come already. Yeah, I'm just gonna fuck with the cops for a little bit more. Just to mess with this Alright, get in the car, bro. Bust some shot and see what happens. Disappear on you, boy. Disappear on you. Ah, boy, this shit is dope, man. I can't stop fucking with this shit. There you go. Hey. Yeah, man, I was just fucking with the cops, man. Yeah, like I said, man, this mod is dope. Really like it. It's called Cloak Any Vehicle. That's what it's called. Yeah. Put up your gun, bro. Yeah, man, so this is where we're going to leave the video, man. Thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. What the fuck happened here? Yeah, man, so Merry Christmas to everybody again, yeah, man. Word. Merry Christmas to everybody around the world. To all my viewers, to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. It's much appreciated on this channel. Big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out this invisible car mod with me, man. God bless. One.